Hello Sejahtera, my name is Sherwin. My number matric is S70991. Now I'm going to present my individual assignment for Audit 1 using Audit SME. After login Audit SME account, now we're gonna do an adjustment for PPE and also cash and bank balance. Now we click on Asset Plugin. Then we select Import Fixed Asset Listing. Then we select Sample Asset Listing. And then we submit it. After submit it, we will see this page. For the first column, we select it as description. For the second column, we select date of purchase. For the third column, we select opening cost. For the fourth column, we select current edition. For the fifth column, we select rate depreciation. The next column, we select opening depreciation. And the last column, we select it as current charge. For the first asset category, we select it as freehold land. The second and third asset category, we select it as motor vehicles. The fourth and fifth asset category, we select it as furniture and fitting. And the last two asset category, we select it as computer equipment. For the first finance mode, we select it as term loan. For the second and third finance mode, we select it as hire purchase. And the fourth, fifth, and also the last two finance mode, we select it as outright purchase. And then we import it. After import it, we click on Asset Plugin. And then it will appear like this. And we notice that there is a difference between main lead schedule and also sub-lead schedule. And we need to do an adjustment. Then we click on lead schedule, asset, U for PPE, and then we click on adjustment. We credit for motor vehicles with the amount of 55,000. And then we credit on computer equipment with the amount of 2,650. And then we debit on depreciation with the amount of 55650. And then the AJE narration, we fill in being adjusted for overstated for depreciation. And then we save it. And then we click again on lead schedule. We select asset, U for property, plant and equipment, PPE. And then we can see now the account has been adjusted. Then we now going to do the adjusted for cash and bank balance. Now we click on lead schedule, asset, cash and bank balance. Now we click on adjustment. We use the AJE and we debit on audit fee with the amount of 15368, and then we credit on cash in hand also with the amount of 15368. and then we fill in AJE narration with being adjustment of audit fees paid in cash unaccounted for, and then we save. Now we click again on reschedule, asset, cash and bank balance. As you can see, now the account has been adjusted. So that's all for the adjustment for PPE and also cash and bank balance. Thank you.